one, the men start left, the girls start right, facing the circle. Left, 2, 3, and 4. 5. Touch, 7, brush. Sway, and cha-cha-cha, sway, and cha-cha-cha. Again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, brush, sway. Left cha-cha, sway, and right cha-cha. From here, face to face, left, right, and left. Right, left, and right. Back and wrap, release, and back. The men now outside, the girl inside. Left, right, and left. And right, left, and right. Back and wrap, and release, and back, and start the dance from the beginning. That's all the dance. When we wrap, he said, Atatufa. Atufa, it means wrap, atufa. That's what we're doing here. Atatufa be'ahava, with love. Now, we're going to put the music. Before that, we're going to do it once without stopping. Left, right, left, right. Left, touch, left, brush. And cha-cha-cha, hands, and cha-cha-cha. And again, 2, 3, 4. Touch, brush, sway. Cha-cha-cha, the hands, cha-cha-cha. Hands here, left, right, back, and wrap, release, and back, and left, and right, back, up, 2, release, and up, and we start from the beginning. Yafa,